Hey guys, what up? It's a Thursday today. I was supposed to go to office today, but I have just a minor revisions, so I just did my work at home. It feels different when I have less clutter in my mind. It's so rare that this happens to me. My usual day is so busy, and this is the perfect time for me to make some more arrangements. I have no plans on going out whatsoever. I'll just stay at home. It is the safest and the most right thing to do for now. I have something very exciting to do. I have been procrastinating this for quite some time. I have these decorations, I have these stickers, and I have some, cute things that I wanted to put in my wall ever since February. Ano lang siya, very simple lang siya. I don't want to complicate it. That is what I'm gonna do today. Let's go! This is the one that I bought in Daiso. I thought that this might help me with organizing receipts and some sticky notes. Say hi to them, Mochi. Next one. So this one is where I put the decors that I've been saving since February. That's just me. So here it is. I don't know what to call this one, but I bought this in Muji. Yan. Para siyang texture niya is test paper. Guys, this was a calendar that I don't know where to put because I have this very small desk. That's my desk. I should have put this in my mood tracker. So this is so good to put in my bullet journal. It's a earth tone sticker. Okay, some washi tapes. This is a sushi. This is a macaroon. This one a porridge. And another sushi, sashimi. This one I think I will use this to put the postcards. Yung parang favorite colors, set of colors ko lately. Okay, that's my kato. Change position again. And this one, I think some of you are familiar with this style. Diba? It's so cute. Let me open it. Masyadong magalaw dahil my camera is sitting on my bed. Yeah, the famous Matisse. Everyone has this, and I got mine also. This is the first style that I have. Yeah, Matisse. It's just so hard to settle, and then you don't know how long you'll be staying there in one place. So I think that is the major thing that I have been feeling. Kaya nasa-set aside ko yung pagde-design. But I'll do it now. Wala namang mawawala, diba? Let's see this second style. Oopsie. This one's a little cuter. But it is so me. When will I grow up? But it's so cute. I know, it's cute. Eh, diba? Isn't it adorable? Simpleng bagay na nakakapagpasaya sa akin, guys. Oh my God, nakaka-in-love, diba? I have a sticker pa. Ayan, maliliit na sticker. So, let's open this. No one understands me like computer. Sabi? Pagkaimo nitong mga sticker na to. A cherry good friends. Arte-arte. Daming pinaglalaban nitong sticker na to. A thirsty plant is a sad plant. Oh, i-water nyo na yung plants nyo, guys, kung meron kayong plants. This one, lastly, this one reminds me of my friend Mariam. Mariam, hello. This one looks like her style. Let's open it. Ano lang siya. Very thin paper lang siya. Pero okay lang. Ayan, oh, very cute. It's actually a surprise. I haven't checked this one before. Parang pinapakita lang is the front and the rest of the postcards. Ayan, surprise siya. Grabe. OA, ganda. Gagaling mga art prints na na-hoard ko lately. Parang iba-iba siyang style eh. Kasi wala talaga ako, guys, style. Parang hindi ko masabi if I'm towards earth toned like this or I want colorful, cutesy. I don't know. Medyo may anime-ish din akong trip. Ayan, kung someone kayong ganyan, we're the same. Nag-i-exist tayo, guys. For this organizer, I am sure that I will put this on this door. I don't want this sticky hook to be the reason why I will not get my safety deposit as full as before. So to the owner of this apartment, you will not touch that safety deposit ever. No guys, tingin nyo. Is it this way? Or this way? Or this way? Matisse, what's this? I am done. Isn't it cute? I know. Okay, I am done arranging the second set. I'll put it now here. It's getting darker again. Done with the second set. Okay, I think I will put something here. Whew, I am getting good at this. This is the last decor for now. Yay! Let me show you the wall, the final product. Ayos ba guys? I am just so happy that I finally decor my wall. And I just want to tell guys that this decors doesn't cost much. I bought this, almost all of this in Shopee. I will put the links down below. Happiness does not cost a lot of money. Encourage you guys to buy the decors that you want to put on your wall or anything that will probably make you a happier person as long as it is within the budget. You have some extra money there. What do you think guys with my wall? Which one is your favorite? That is it for today guys. Thank you for hanging out with me and I have too many hand gestures now. I will see you on my next video next week probably. Bye.